Hi, I'm Yannicka here at the Radiant House from Santa Clara University, where they use a simple-to-build computer to make a smarter home. I'm here with Richard at the Radiant House from Santa Clara University. Can you tell us what your major is and what your role in the decathlon project has been?
So I'm an electrical engineer. My role has largely been designing and building the control system for Radiant House.
Tell us about how a computer is used to control the functions of a home.
So in the mechanical room we have a Raspberry Pi computer. That's sort of the main controller of the house. Communicating with the Raspberry Pi, we have an app, control app for the house. That app allows the user to see all of the lights and motors that are available to control inside the house. You can slide and set light levels. You can open the windows a certain degree, and then you can click on the rooms to see the different rooms. Each of the rooms have a different set of lights to control. You can also click on the room itself, on the picture of the house, to get to that room. And upon seeing each room, you can see the current level of the lights, and you can set the lights to that level, and it will remember it when you go back and forth between the rooms.
Okay. I'm currently taking a maker class at my high school. Is the Raspberry Pi something that I could build?
So Raspberry Pi is a great system to use for sort of learning the workings of a computer. It's a very small computer. It's relatively cheap. It costs about $60. The Arduinos are along the same lines. They're relatively cheap, and they're great for projects. They're great for prototyping. So a lot of projects use Arduinos as sort of a way for students to learn how a computer works. That's sort of the design intent behind the Raspberry Pi and the Arduino.
Cool. Did your studies in school influence the use of this technology in the house?
Definitely. During the course of the project, I took a few classes where we learned how to use Arduinos. We used Arduinos to make robots that deposited ping pong balls onto different colors onto different shelves. And so I got to use the Arduinos a lot with that. And in doing that and getting that exposure to the Arduinos, I thought, oh, this is a great device. Why not control a house with it? If we can control a robot with it, we can do anything with it. So it's sort of the exposure I got and the idea I got to incorporate a device like that into a home.
What type of career would these decathlon skills and this experience prepare you for?
So I definitely want to continue a career in the field of sort of sustainable energy. I loved working on the project. I loved building this control system, not only to control the house, but also as a way to teach the user and those who are living in the house how to conserve energy. In the future, we hope to implement a sort of a learning capability through the app, through the sensors we have in the house to tell the user, hey, you're using this much energy, why not turn off some of the lights? Or you can even set it to have the house even do that for you if you so choose. So definitely a career in something like that is something I look forward to getting involved with as soon as I graduate.
Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you.
Tune in,
Charge up,
and be part of the solution.
Join us for the next episodes of Watt Trekker. Use the link below to sign up for a chance to win prizes and to be notified when our next episode is available online.